Hey guys, welcome back to the 12 days of Craftmas. Today we are making a Christmas wreath, and these are some of the items that you're going to need. You're going to need at least 2 different types of ribbon in the designs of your choice, your wreath frame, some floral stems, and then a sign to go on top if you like that. One other thing that is missing from my display here is garland. You will also need garland. So let's get right into it. So before we get started with the wreath, I did want to say one thing about the supplies. This metal wreath right here, you can find it already with the pipe cleaners on it. You can find it in stores with these. But my Hobby Lobby did not have the size that I want. So if that is your situation, you can buy the wire. You can buy the wire ring separate. And then all you do is get you a pack of these pipe cleaners, and then you're just going to put 16. And what I did was I put one in each section, so you have 8 on the outside and then 8 on the inside, and that's it. So I just want to say that real quick. You can make this yourself, or you can already buy it like this. Either way, it's really simple. So let's get started with the wreath. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do is go ahead and cut my ribbon. I cut my ribbon in about 15-inch sections, something like that. I go ahead and get all my ribbon cut and kind of set it to the side so that when I'm ready to use it, it's all ready to go. So I just cut one piece and then kind of use that as my outline to make sure that my next pieces are the same size. And then after my ribbon is cut, I also like to go ahead and cut my ends. I just cut a triangle at the ends to give my ribbon some style. Alright, so now the next thing that I like to do is go ahead and get my garland on there, and I just lay it down and then secure it to the frame by twisting each twist tie around it. And I just take this all the way around until it is completely secure. Alright, so now that your garland is in place, you want to go ahead and take your ribbon, and you're going to take it one at a time, and you're just going to fold it in half just like this. And you're going to be twisting it right where the center of it is. You can see I'm kind of pulling out the ends to kind of make it look like a bow, so you'll have a loop at the top and then your tail's hanging at the bottom. And then you're just going to lay it right in between the twist tie, and then you're going to twist it right on down to secure that piece of ribbon. And as you can see, that looks just like a ribbon, which turned out cute. So now you're just going to take your next one and lay it right on top of that in the same fashion. So you will have 2 pieces of ribbon at minimum, at least 2 pieces of ribbon on each one of your ties. So now you're going to go around the whole frame and do exactly what I just showed you. You're going to put 2 pieces of your ribbon on each tie. Now what I do like to do is rotate them. So on one ribbon, I might start with the checkered pattern at the bottom and the solid pattern on top. And then I move to the next ribbon and I switch it around, do vice versa. So then you'll get a more even look. You'll have a lot of each one showing, not just one particular pattern on top. So when you alternate it like that, it'll come out just like this. So we're just going to go all the way around the frame and finish it up. So now once we have it all complete, I'm just kind of going through and pulling out and then making some cuts in certain sections. Like if you don't like how your tails are looking and you just need to clip them off, or if you just want to make some corrections and puff your bows out a little more, this is the perfect time to do it. Another tip is to hang it on the wall. Hang your wreath on the wall and just stand back and look at it, and then you'll see exactly the spots where you need to make changes or fill it in a little more or whatnot. Again, I only did 2 pieces of ribbon, but you can do 3 and 4 different types of ribbon. That looks really good too, but again, 2 is the minimum. And then once I got my ribbon all set, I just added some stems wherever I could, as you see there. And then I just took this little sign that I got from the dollar store and laid it right in the middle, and that was it. It turned out really cute. So if you guys try this, let me know how your wreaths turn out. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another 12 days of Craftmas, and I will see you on the next video.